Ooh. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear this?
Hope I remember how to ride a bike.
Okay. All right, so what's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, me and Car Keys. We are at the Silver Comet Trail. We have rented some bikes. They are Marins. Don't worry about that. That's our pre-workout right there. By the way, today's my birthday. Yeah, it's birthday. So we're out riding. I think I've been on a bike every year for my birthday. These are Continental contact tires. Look at that. White wall tires. Look at that. Look at that.
Why you get mine?
I'm sorry. She has V Tire Company tires, which are like all-terrains. Look at that. Look at all that tread in there. Wow. So yeah, y'all ready? You ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Yeah. Go ahead, say it again. What's that? That was by yours truly, you know.
BMX, bro.
A whole gym workout area. Look at this. Hello. I don't know why, but I like Texas Roadhouse. You like Texas Roadhouse? You like Texas Roadhouse?
Yeah.
You like Texas Roadhouse?
Yeah. Today.
You like Texas Roadhouse?
Today's Daddy's birthday.
Yes, it is.
Daddy's birthday.
Yeah. Hey, y'all, we're out here at Detailing World. They're having their grand opening today. That's what's right here behind me. They got the music playing, so I'm not gonna film too much in front of it, but we got the trucks here. We got my truck right here. We got the whole squad. This is the start of the squad right here. We got 4 F-150s. Mine's the oldest one, of course, but we got new F-150s here. Check out these wheels, y'all. Got the black Rhinos on there. The Baja Bosses, these are the tires that I wanted on my truck in due time. This is my homeboy Carrillo. Y'all still got this one right here. Got the XDs. What's going on? Look at this. Look at this guy.
Guys, come out. Today is March 2nd, Detailing World Newnan's grand opening. Come out. We got Coach Kimmy, G Technet. Dude, we got raffles every hour. Big final raffle at 2 o'clock that's going to have ceramic coatings and a couple other big prizes. So come out, see us, enjoy it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so that was my man Ricky. He's the owner of the shop, so he got to get his word in. So back to the trucks. Uh-oh. Start up. Nice. That's what it is. All right. Woo. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. You do it one more time. Wow. Nice. Nice. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear this? Wow. I feel Will. Oh, nice. Okay, so he just closed the valves. That's what it sounds like with the valves closed. And that's open. Wow. That is sick, y'all. I gotta do something with my truck, man. That sounds good. Hey, we got a squad out here. This one's supercharged. That one's supercharged. Yeah, this is a lineup. We got a taco in the middle. All right, y'all. Check out this super. This super is super clean. Got carbon fiber bits all the way around it. Got carbon fiber side skirt, carbon fiber splitter. It's clean. But we're gonna do a quick walk around of what's out here. We got some Mustangs. I see a couple F150s over there. There's some Rams. Go check it out. And you see the super behind me that looks clean. I keep looking at the super. The super's clean. So let's walk around. Hey, y'all, check out this Mustang crew. Check this out. You got a 5.0 right here. You got a Chevy GT 500 right here. Check this thing out, y'all. You got carbon fiber wheels. You got a carbon fiber splitter. You got a carbon fiber spoiler. You got a carbon fiber diffuser. This thing is clean. Got carbon fiber on the interior there. Come all the way on the inside. You got carbon fiber under the hood. Going down the line. You got another 5. You got another 5.0. You got another Chevy GT. Now look at the diffuser on this one, y'all. Look at that. Street Aero diffuser. Wow. Ooh, but check out this one. That's a Mach 1 with a Whipple supercharger on top. Wow. That thing is clean. Check out the inside. Thing is in pristine condition. So at some point in my life, I want a Mustang, right? I love new Mustangs. At some point in my life, I want a Mustang. I don't know, y'all. Would it be cooler to have? A new Mustang would be cool to have an old school Mustang. Put in the comments below. Let me know what you think, because I already know what you're gonna say. Now that's a 1940 Mercury. That thing sounds amazing. Wow. Yeah, we got a Yanko. This thing came through super loud. I can hear this thing down the street. Got a wheeling on top. Got slicks on the back. There it is. Yanko. Yeah, it's been an awesome event so far. I've only been here for an hour, and the place is starting to fill up. What I like is, I don't know if you see these kids behind me, but they know everything about cars. They're walking around talking to everybody, and that's one of the coolest things about these car shows, to see kids really involved in this. They learn about cars, they talking to people. I think that's amazing, because that's the future of the car community, so I think that's really cool. I know absolutely nothing about bikes, but man, what is this? I know it's a Harley Davidson, obviously, but that is clean. The paint's clean. I like the contrast with the gold or bronze colors. That's sick. Whoa. Now, like I said, I know absolutely, positively nothing about bikes, but I like looking at them, so that's good enough. Hey, y'all, we got an M3 competition right here. This thing is amazing, y'all. Look at this. The green paint is sick, but what I like is that there are all kind of little weird things that actually work together. For example, the interior is orange. It's like black and orange, and it works. You got carbon fiber on the dash, carbon fiber on the steering wheel. Love these wheels. They look like those snowflake wheels from back in the day. You got blue inside the headlights. M3 competition. So what I love about these is that you got this big grill in the front. I love that. Oh, y'all good. Appreciate it though, y'all good. Look under the hood of this one, my goodness. This thing has been nicely done. Call this thing bad attitude. Got the slicks on the back. That thing has been nicely done. I love the paint choice, especially contrasting with the gold. That's amazing. Hey, we got two Supers that showed up. They're both right-hand drive, which is cool. I love the wheels on this black one. I like an anthracite gray. I love that. You got the white one with the gold. Works very well. Super clean. He also has carbon fiber on the wing right there. That's also pretty cool. Hey, y'all, it's been an awesome event out here so far. We have to go in the store. It's right there. We have to go in the store and check it out because I haven't been in the store yet. All right, this is inside the store. They have all types of detailing products, anything you possibly need. Hey, what's going on? There's the man Ricky right there. All right, come in and support Detailing World. I'm getting some stuff for the clean these tires and some tire shop. Hey, y'all, check out the Corvette crew. They just pulled up. I mean, come on. I don't know where to start. You got the Z06. You got the C8 Z06. All right. I love this color, y'all. This is what I call flex mode. He put the top up just a little bit. That's called flex mode. You got the red interior with the green. Wait a minute. With the baby seat in there. That's what I'm talking about. That's goals for me, man. You got the Corvette with the baby seat in there. The baby boosters in there. How you do that? But that's clean, y'all. Got the red accents on there. Z06 in red. Brake calipers in red. Interior in red. What do y'all think about the Z06? As we continue with flex mode. Come on, another C8 with the Lambo doors. Now look at that interior. Got the blue carbon paddle shifters, whole interior. Man, wow. And carbon fiber in the deck lid. Magic twin. Yeah, check out this Gladiator. Are you serious? 37s, 24s, fuel wheels. That is clean. Has a vinyl top. That is a clean setup, y'all. Y'all know I'm an F150 guy, but I love Jeep Gladiators. I love Jeep Gladiators.